When it comes to top-notch, high-quality service and exceptionally efficient partners in tool production, ES Tool stands out as your premier choice. Our commitment to innovation and expertise gives you a distinct competitive edge in the international market. With over 3 decades of industry experience, ES Tool offers a complete service experience, guiding you from initial design concepts to manufacturing, packaging, and shipping. We bring a wealth of experience to the table and fearlessly embrace innovation. Our advanced facility has state-of-the-art machinery, ensuring precise and high-quality production processes, revolutionizing production line efficiency. In 2022, we introduced a cutting-edge Japanese automatic CNC lathe in our relentless pursuit of quality, modernizing size tolerances, product precision, and overall quality. ES Tool proudly utilizes the Schneider production control system from France, setting industry standards in production responsibility, workstation management, and progress tracking. Our flexible warehouse management and meticulous scheduling of finished and semi-finished products enable us to meet customer delivery requirements quickly. Every product from the ES Tool production line undergoes rigorous quality control testing in our state-of-the-art laboratory. This ensures that our products meet and exceed our customers' requirements, consistently delivering top-notch quality. With years of successful collaboration with renowned European and American brands, ES Tool's manufacturing capabilities are widely recognized and trusted by our valued customers. We firmly believe that our competitiveness directly translates into our customers' competitiveness. Therefore, we remain dedicated to continuous growth and innovation, making it our everlasting commitment to empower your success in the industry